John,
Hello,
how
teacher.
are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, we're going to start now with our speaking test. And for the first part, you're going to have finding the differences. Okay, example, John, in picture one,
If
there are a lot of cars, but in picture two, we have different food stalls.
okay, this picture one is the bus. In picture two is the
Tractor.
tractor.
Mm-hmm.
In picture one, the is the supermarket.
Mm-hmm.
In picture two, the sports center.
Correct.
In picture one, the is the season.
Mm-hmm.
In picture two is the park.
Yeah.
In picture one, the cinema is
Is in
uh,
front,
in front a hospital.
but
In picture two, the bus station is a hospital.
correct.
In picture one, there is the people.
Mm-hmm.
In picture two, no have the people.
Okay, there's no. Mm-hmm. How about this?
In picture one is the cafe.
Mm-hmm.
In,
Okay, finish. Okay,
yes,
let's have the second part, John. You tell me which one is different. Okay, in this set,
is cat.
the scarf. Oh, this is.
There is fruit.
Okay, they are
Fruit
food. Next, number two.
is penguin.
Okay, what is a penguin?
Is animal.
Correct. And they are.
They are in the body.
Okay, in the body. Very good. Next, number three.
Uh, is one.
Mm-hmm. What is this?
Is city.
A city.
There is job.
Job. Very good.
Uh, is number four.
Okay, number four. Who is he?
This job
Mm-hmm.
is place.
Place. Yeah, very good, John. Okay, that ends our test, John, and see you around. Goodbye.